Hello everyone, Josh Customs here, bringing you another packaging. Today I got the Ecto 1 siren from the movie. This goes on to a diecast or an RC car, but I'm going to go ahead and use this on my bike and it does say it has real movie sounds, and it does have a speaker, and it only powers from a 9-volt battery. So I think it's pretty cool, and plus it's really nice package. I mean, when I first got it in the mail today, I took a look and it came like this. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what it comes. And it's, there we go, keep that. Now, one thing I can actually really tell, the switch, the battery pack right here is really nice. That's how the 9-volt connector right here. I think it's real nice. Unwind this a little bit. There we go. And also we got the speaker right here, right? And also we even got the little circuit board right here, and I'm liking that already. It's already covered, don't have to worry about it getting wet or getting damaged, so that's pretty nice. Now, as for the speaker, however, if it's not real loud enough, I do have an upgrade for a bigger speaker. I just don't know how loud this one will be. So let's go ahead and get this thing all routed up. So let's go ahead and take this and connect this up real quick. There we go. Just need these two. And just need to connect this right here. Now, normally I would use my soldering iron, but I don't have one right now because my original one got so hot and it malfunctioned, and well, I gotta get a brand new one. So I found a brand new one. I ordered it. It's on its way right now, so that's real nice. Alright, now we actually got everything connected up. And I will not be needing this one right here. This is for like the lights, but I'm not going to be using that. Switch is real nice, however. I mean, this little button. Now, because I don't have a 9-volt battery, you guys, I do have another 9-volt connector right here, which I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using some of the batteries off my flashlight right here. Now, if you guys don't have a 9-volt battery, this easily, and it already has its little connector right here. All you gotta do is just connect one side to one side and the other side to the other side. And that's it. And this thing should automatically come right on. Connect this up. Oh, so far. Alright, now I just have to turn it on. It's not coming on. But let's see. Yeah, I got it on backwards. Let's try this. Hmm. It's not coming on. Somehow it's not coming on right now. Probably because it's not having enough power or nothing. Let's see if I can. There we go. Hmm. Well, except I don't have a 9-volt battery now. Right now, you guys, I'm gonna come back in a little bit. I'm gonna go to the store right now and get a 9-volt battery and to connect this up right here. And see you guys in a sec. Alright, everyone, I've been working on this for a few hours. You see, I kind of took off the regular speaker and it sounded okay, but if you're putting this on a model, but if you're putting this on a bike like I'm going to be doing, I need something bigger. So I went ahead and got this right here hooked up, and I got everything all taped up and make sure everything is all buttoned up. To test everything out, I just used the battery for the DeLorean, and I got this taped off. So let me go ahead and undo this tape right here real quick. And now, because these right here are just two red and black wires, I went ahead and hold this up like this, and I just lined it up to black and to red. And there you have it. So this actually does work. It sounds great. This is really loud, and this is what I like. So I'm kind of glad I did one with a bigger speaker, and plus this right here, it's a little bit more louder than what this was. So I kind of went up from 1 to 10. So basically, you kind of realize that this right here is great for like if you're gonna have this installed into like your headphones and you listen to music or something, or if you're going to install this into an RC car or to a diecast car. It'd be great for that, but except I'm not going to be doing that. I'm actually installing this stuff into my bike, which I'm really excited about. So now I got a nice working siren, and I won't have to worry about doing anything else. So hope you guys like this video, and leave a like. And I got this off of eBay. This right here costs about $16, and it's real easy, and it only runs on a 9-volt battery. So if you want to get this for your project, or if you want to get this for fun, or if you're a Ghostbusters fan like me, go ahead and order one of these. And everything is in this chip area right here. As long as this right here don't get damaged, you got a nice real working siren. So until next time, I hope you guys like this video, and love you, and take care. And who you gonna call? If I can get this in. It doesn't want to work. There we go. Alright guys. Love you, and catch you in the next video. Okay guys, I just got done installing the speaker system, there's a speaker right there. I got in with 2 screws, and I even got some hot glue in there, and I got some on the wires. I didn't put none on here, and I got the switch, wire to the switch, and right to the 9-volt battery. I got it right in there. So if I turn this on, this will come on. So I want to demonstrate to you guys of how it looks in there and how it's set up. I had to make a little mounting bracket for the battery so that way it won't wobble everywhere. So then it closes right in there. And I made sure that there was plenty of clearance right here, and there is. So that is great that there is plenty of clearance. So there you have it. The Ecto 1 theme scooter is coming a long way, but not as much as I expected. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.